Good day, people. It's Jeffrey Howells carpet cleaning here, and what we're going to be doing today is some cleaning in West Linn, Oregon. Now, I've got to say, I was a bit surprised because this is about 15 miles out from our regular base camp. And this person found me just doing a Google search for carpet cleaning on, I think I came up number 3, she said, on Google Maps. So, you know, I was pleasantly surprised that just a generic carpet cleaning that I was able to come up number 3. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing our 3-phase cleaning. We're going to be doing some deodorizing. We're going to be doing up the stairways. In this room here, and then there's going to be another room in there. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with a pre-vacuum, doing our 3-phase cleaning. Phase 1, of course, being the vacuum. Phase 2 being the pre-spray application and agitation. And phase 3, firing up the truck and doing our ammounts.